Hello guys, it's Nick here. Today I'm gonna give you a listening lesson. You can see the subtitle, but I recommend you just listening through what I'm saying without subtitle first. Alright, I'm gonna share how I spend time in IKEA in Japanese, but I'm gonna talk in 4 different levels for beginner, intermediate, advanced, plus how the native speakers share this kind of story. Are you ready for this challenge? Alright, let's just dive in. 私は昨日イケアへ行きました。イケアは大きいです。そこは家具のお店です。そこにはたくさん家具がありました。ソファーと洗濯機がありました。私は鍋が欲しいです。私は鍋を買いました。買い物は楽しいです。私は昨日、イケアへ行きました。イケアは家具のお店でとても大きいです。そこにはソファーや洗濯機などがあり、他の家具もたくさんありました。私は鍋が欲しかったので、鍋を買いに行きました。とても楽しかったです。私は昨日、イケアに鍋を買いに行ってきました。イケアは家具のお店なのですが、とても大きかったです。そこにはソファーや洗濯機など、他にもたくさんの家具があり、買い物を楽しむことができました。私昨日 IKEA っていう家具屋さんに鍋を買いに行ってきたんですけど、ソファーとか洗濯機とか、他にもいろいろ置いてあってめちゃくちゃ楽しかったです。Alright, did you understand all of them or stuck into the specific level? I spoke in 4 different ways, but all of those scripts are the exactly same story. Now, let's go check out what the differences are. So, beginner. It's built by short and single and basic phrase. It's like puzzle. You pick up proper phrases to build a sentence. It's kind of hard to imagine whole story. Alright, next. Intermediate. They're like put the puzzle pieces into a frame and then they're fluent and nothing bothers for the communication. On this level, they can communicate without big problems if the topics are familiar to them. So they're like independent from assistance. Alright, next, advanced level. They're really close to the natural Japanese, but it's still like a presentation. On this level, they can communicate smoother and also can talk about almost anything. Alright, finally, native. Some of guys might catch the word 洗濯機 as instead of 洗濯機. Correctly, 洗濯機, but we cut the sound to connect to the next sound easily. None of native Japanese speakers says 洗濯機, so you should remember this. So some of guys wonder how I differentiate those levels. Well, that was not actually me. There is a standard in an organization that called Japan Foundation. In short, JF. So what does JF do? They exhibit an exam. The exam is bam, Japanese Language Proficiency Test. In short, JLPT. In Japan, other organization, JEES, exhibit the test. I'll leave a link for Japan Foundation in the description box so you can check it out. According to this organization, it doesn't matter how much you have the knowledge for Japanese language. It's how you can use and what you can do by using Japanese language. That's how they set the level. Alright guys, if you think this video was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe my channel so you won't miss any upcoming lessons and tips that helps your learning. Also, I want you to be fluent and be natural in Japanese, so if you got any question about Japanese language, history, also culture, anything, you can leave a comment in the comment box below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Arigatou. Japanese language proficient test. This Japanese Japanese language. I'm a samurai drummer. For it.